I'm going to show you some of the basic features for formatting text in MacCaption. The first things I want you to focus on are the push and pull buttons. These are these triangle up and down arrows over here next to each caption block. The way they work is if you press the down arrow, these directly affect the last word of your caption block. So when I press the push arrow, which is a down arrow, you notice that the word "the" was pushed down to the next caption block. If I press the pull button, or the up arrow, the word "the" gets pushed up again. In this case, I have two caption blocks here, one which probably shouldn't stand on its own, and one that's probably way too long for its own good. So what I'm going to do is, I'm going to press the push button until I get the desired results. And there we have it. The next button I like to show you is these two arrows over here. They're called the compress and expand lines. Expand meaning the right arrow, the left arrow is a compressed line length. The way they work is, say for example, this caption at the left of the screen too. It seems like it's a bit long. I'd like that to be a little bit more centered. So what this does is it splits this caption up into two lines by pressing compress. I press it twice to get the desired results, 3 times. If I do it extreme, I can get up to 4 lines per that caption. And if I press expand, I can of course expand it to fit as many words per line as I possibly can. And that's how those two work. The next features that I like to cover are the positioning of the caption blocks on the screen here, on the preview screen. And the way they work is basically you can move the captions anywhere you want on the screen using these formatting left, center, and right, up and down arrows. These are all found on the top here. Let's say though that you have a lower third, like for example in this portion of the video. So in this case, I can move the captions up to the top of the screen. If I move them to the left, move them to the right, notice if I move them to the right, they should probably be right justified. The justification panel is over here, horizontal, vertical, and justification over here. And if I press the R button, that makes it right justified as well. The next basic formatting function that I like to show you is simply the italicize and underline. Basically the way it works is you have to actually select the text inside the caption block, press the I button to italicize, or U for underline. Now it's important to note you can do both. There is no bold for captions, but what we can do is we can press this button, and this will actually make the captions blink when you put them on the TV screen.